Let's draw a pony portrait. Start with a circle. Add the pony's muzzle. Draw the top of the head and back of the neck. Add the front of the neck. Erase part of the circle as shown. Draw an ear. Add the forelock. Erase the lines inside the ear and forelock. Add a line for the inside of the ear. Draw the other ear. Draw an oval for the eye. Add the iris. Draw a small circle for a highlight. Add the pupil under the highlight. Notice that the pupil is in the center of the iris. The pupil will be black when you color. Draw eyelashes. Add a nostril. Draw the pony's mouth. Draw a pretty mane. Add hairlines in the forelock and mane. Draw an awesome collar for your pony. Add a background design. Now it's time to name your pony. This step-by-step drawing is from Favorite Animals Drawing Book and comes with starter drawings that make drawing super easy and fun. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.